Reaction as EndSARS protesters forced governor to climb Okada. The EndSARS protest is becoming tougher every day as the youths never give up until their demands are properly handled. What made the protest more stronger is that many popular celebrities in the country and in abroad have given their supports. As the protest top number one news in the world, many foreigners have given in their own support too as well. More so, some powerful men of God too have given in their own support too. The youth in most states are rising up seriously, and the Adawa youth too were not left behind as they have started their own NSAT security protest in the region. The protest is becoming more extreme as many roads are blocked everywhere in some major places. Like today, one FCT minister was forced to miss his flight after youth blocked the road, shouting at the convoy to make a U-turn. But the particular incident that got my attention was the incident of Kwara State governors. Thank you for listening to this news, my viewers. This is number one protest has covered the headline in every social media. What about the broadcasting stations? This protest has made the page interesting. This is number one protest that has ever taken place in Nigeria that demands for unity and proper cooperation. Not just here in Nigeria, but also in abroad. This protest has attracted the attention of dignitaries, celebrities, professionals all over the world. It has made people to see the other side of the Nigerian government. Those that are supporting the Nigerian government, praising them all along, saying that they have been meeting up, they have been measuring up, that we should not put every blame on them and all of that. These protests have been able to expose them all. You can see, through these protests, we've been able to see the bad side of our government. We've been able to discover their evil side. Even while the people are agitating, our government are busy paying attention to their personal needs. See how quiet the president is, refused to do anything. Even the wife of the president have joined the protest. That is to let you know that even the home of the president is in disputes. You understand? You can see. So, my viewers, it is no longer safe. Nigerians need to come out en masse and speak up. International observers are aware. International celebrities, actors. See, if care is not taken, if the president don't do anything between today and tomorrow, only God knows where this protest is going to be taken to. I bet you. Only God knows. So, something should better be done. The president should better come up on stage and make a pronouncement. End SARS and end the problems we're having in the country. Yes, all these things should come to an end. It should come to an end. There should be a solution to all these problems. We cannot continue like this. The masses cannot continue to cry. Yes. See, my viewers, if Nigerians have been teaming up this way right from the onset, the government won't be taking the Nigerians for a ride. They won't be making mockery of them, because to me it's a mockery. It's a mockery. Believing that the people's voice meant nothing. You understand? See people on daily basis outside en masse, agitating for their rights. I thought the president said that he can handle protesters. Okay. I know he's very good at jailing whoever that comes out for protest. He should try and jail these ones now. How many people is he going to jail? He should come and jail the whole Nigeria, because it is the whole Nigerian that is now involved in this protest. Oh yeah. Buratai that was saying that the president should give him power to redeploy soldier. Oh yeah, let him redeploy. He will now tell me the number of soldiers in Nigeria, if they can be able to suppress the populations in Nigeria. Even if they redeploy all the battalion in Nigeria, they cannot withstand the numbers of people in Nigeria. They will kill, but they will die more. Yes. My viewers, what's your take? What do you think? Please deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.